Welcome aspirants. Today's session is specially for those who are preparing for BPSC teacher recruitment exam for PGT and TGT. And today we will cover most important MCQs from the restoration to the romantic revival. That means from 1660 to 1798, from during this time frame, and it will not include the romantic period but the beginning of romantic period, that is 1798, the year of publication of the lyrical ballads. So here we will practice total 100 MCQs. These are not text based MCQs but those MCQs which we generally missed out in exams. And today it is the part 1, and today we will discuss first 25 MCQs from this section. So let's proceed to the MCQs today I have for you. Question number 1. The alternative title of Dryden's All for Love. The alternative title of Dryden's All for Love is, look at the options: The World Well Lost, The Pure Heart, The Deserted Village. This one is written by Oliver Goldsmith. The Hind and the Panther. Here the right answer is option A, The World Well Lost. Here the right answer is option A, The World Well Lost. Question number 2. The Hind and the Panther is written by, look at the option: John Donne, Ben Jonson, Dr. Johnson, John Dryden. Here the right answer is option D, John Dryden. John Dryden is the right answer here. Sorry, I marked it by mistake as A, but it's actually, here the right answer is John Dryden. Let's proceed to the next MCQ. Question number 3. The Hind and the Panther. In The Hind and the Panther by Dryden, the panther represents the Anglicans. Yes, this is the right answer. The panther represents the Anglicans. Anglicans denotes the Anglican Church of England. The Anglican Church of England. Here the right answer is option A, undoubtedly. And look at other options. The panther represents the Catholics. No. The Hind represents the Anglicans. No. None of the above. So here the right answer is option A. The Hind and the Panther, you know that this is an allegorical poem, and it was published in 1687. And the Catholics means the Roman Catholic Church, and Anglicans refers to the Anglican Church of England. So let's proceed to the next MCQ, that is MCQ number 4. Name the tragedy written by Joseph Addison. Look at the options. Option A, Cato. B, Roderick Random. C, The Drummer. D, none of the above. Here the right answer is Cato. Joseph Addison's tragedy is Cato. So let's proceed to the next MCQ, that is MCQ number 5. Who wrote Roderick Random? Tobias Smollett, Joseph Andrews, Sir Richard Steele, Thomas Gray. Here the right answer is undoubtedly Smollett. Option A is right answer here. Next, question number 6. Name the book by Fielding which was initially conceived as a parody of Richardson's Pamela. Joseph Andrews, Roderick Random, both, none. Here the right answer is option A, Joseph Andrews. Question number 7. Who is a graveyard poet? Who is a graveyard poet? They are also known as churchyard poets. Who is a graveyard poet of the 18th century? Here there are two options here. Option A, Thomas Gray, and option B, Edward Young, and you will have to identify the graveyard poet. And if both are graveyard poets, then your answer should be option C. And here we know that Thomas Gray and Edward Young both are graveyard poet or churchyard poets. So here the right answer is option B. Option B is right answer here. The graveyard poets often feature gloomy settings like graveyards, ruined buildings, night scenes, and some awkward situation or scenes. Question number 8. The graveyard poets were British pre-romantic poets of 18th century. Option B is the right answer. Question number 9. The Deserted Village, it was published in 1770, is written by uh, Oliver Goldsmith, John Dryden, Dr. Johnson, none of the above. I previously told you. Here the right answer is option A. Oliver Goldsmith is the writer of The Deserted Village. Question number 10. The Life of Johnson is written by. The Life of Johnson is written by, and that is the biography of Dr. Johnson. Ben Jonson, Samuel Johnson, James Boswell, Samuel Richardson. Here the right answer is option C, James Boswell. James Boswell. Next proceed to the question number 11. Boswell is a biographer of, same question, almost same, no problem. Options are Ben Jonson, Dr. Johnson, Samuel Richardson, all of the above. Here the right answer is option B, Dr. Johnson. It is at par with the previous question. Question number 12. Samuel Pepys of the Restoration period was a lyricist, diarist, publisher, lexicographer. Here the right answer is diarist. He is a famous diarist of the Restoration period. So here the right answer is option B. Question number 13. To which genre does Hudibras belong? Lyric poem, fierce satire, prose fiction, comedy of manners. We know that Hudibras is a specimen of vigorous satirical poem, and it's written in mock heroic style by Samuel Butler. So vigorous satirical poem. So here the right answer is option B, fierce satire. Fierce satire. It's written by Samuel Butler, and the satirical poem is written in mock heroic style. You know that the Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope is also written in mock heroic style. So let's proceed to the next question. Question number 14. Hudibras is written by, the option is undoubtedly Samuel Butler. And the poem was written during the 17th century, and it's a famous specimen of 17th century mock heroic satirical poem, and it targets the Puritans and the English Civil War. So if the question is which of the following work targets Puritans and Puritans and the English Civil War, then your answer must be Hudibras. So let's proceed to question number 15. Which poem of Pope is modeled on Dryden's Macflecknoe? Look at the options: The Rape of the Lock, Danciet, Ode on Solitude, Epistle to Dr. Abbott. Here the right answer is option B, Danciet. Question number 16. What is the name of the novel by Clint Goldsmith? Oliver Goldsmith. Look at the options: The Vicar of Wakefield, She Stoops to Conquer, The Deserted Village, all of the above. Here She Stoops to Conquer is not a novel, it's a drama, a play. The Deserted Village is a poem. So B and C cannot be right answer, hence all of the above cannot also be possible. So here the right answer is option A, The Vicar of Wakefield. The Vicar of Wakefield. Option A is right answer. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 17. Who wrote the lives of the poets? The lives of the poets. Ben Jonson, John Donne, Goldsmith, Dr. Johnson. Here the right answer is option D. Dr. Johnson wrote the lives of the poets. Now come to question number 18. Which poet of the pre-romantic period committed suicide at the age of 18. When the poet was 18 years old, he committed suicide. And you will have to identify the poet. Thomas Gray, Edward Young, Thomas Chatterton, none of the above. Here the right answer is option C, Chatterton, Thomas Chatterton. Next proceed to question number 19. What type of novel is Roderick Random? What type of novel is Roderick Random? Look at the options. Tragicomedy? No, it's not right. Burlesque? No. Picaresque novel? Yes, picaresque novel is the right answer here. So here the right answer is option C. Proceed to question number 20. The first English novel is options are Roderick Random, Pamela, The Vicar of Wakefield, none of the above. We know that Richardson's Pamela is traditionally known as the first English novel. So here the right answer is option B. Now proceed to question number 21. Pamela was first published in options are 1740, 1760, 1799, 1730. Here the right answer is 1740. In 1740, Pamela was first published. Next, question number 22. Who was the exponent of periodical essays in the 18th century? Daniel Defoe, Addison, Steele, all of the above. Here the right answer is option A, B, C, all of the three. So your response must be option D. Now come to question number 23. The periodical essays developed in the option A 17th century, option B 18th century, option C 19th century, option D early 19th century. Here the right answer is option B 18th century. The periodical essays developed during the 18th century. The alternative title of Richardson's Pamela is Ups and Downs, Virtue Rewarded, Beauty and Thorns. Here the right answer is Virtue Rewarded. Option C is right answer here. So let's proceed to the next question, or the last question for today. Question number 25th question. Lyrical Ballads was first published in 1789. No, 1789. The year is famous for French Revolution. 1830. No. 1798. Yes, option C is the right answer. 1798 is traditionally known as the beginning of the Romantic period, with the publication of lyrical ballads jointly by William Wordsworth and Coleridge. So these were total 25 questions out of 100 questions from the Restoration period to the Romantic revival. That is, it covers mainly Restoration period. And hope today's presentation and the questions were quite well, and this would definitely help you for your preparation for that BPSC TRE 4.0. And those who are preparing for KBS NBS, these questions will definitely help them too. And the questions are set in such a way that if you are preparing for UGC NET set for English, this will also be quite beneficial for you. And if you like my presentation, if you like my class, don't forget to give a thumb. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and stay tuned and stay connected, and share with your friends and followers and those who are in need. And today's session I'm ending, and I hope you would definitely do the best possible in the upcoming examinations. So thank you again from my end for watching the video.